Hey guys, it's closing day and I wanted to give you a heads up on what to expect during your walkthrough before heading to the closing. When you're doing the final walkthrough as a home buyer, make sure you look for anything that doesn't match the agreed upon terms. Check if the utilities are working and ensure that the home is nice and clean. Also confirm that all included items are present and they're in good shape. This is the last chance to address any concerns before sealing the deal. Now, what if you find issues like the heat's not working or you smell gas near the furnace? Don't hesitate to reach out to your attorney and talk to your realtor about your options. Depending on the nature of issues, you can negotiate with the sellers for a resolution. It might involve requesting repairs, seeking a credit at closing, or in some cases, having the seller put money in an escrow account until the repairs are sorted. It's crucial to tackle these concerns before finalizing the purchase to avoid any complications down the road. Thanks guys, I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to reach out to me for any of your real estate needs.